Y'all know who's back. Me! I don't know what that was, but welcome back, everyone, to another video. This is an unboxing, because little birdie suggested this for me. I won't mention any names specifically, but someone close and dear to my heart told me that I should do this. That's why we're here, right? Boom! What is this? Now, okay, y'all gotta take a step back. Magic Steve, this content sucks. I promise you, if you just hang in just a bit, it's gonna get worse. Like, it's actually gonna get worse. Or better. Haha. Let's open this bad boy up. Like, came home to this on the porch. So, got my knife here. Just don't be stupid with knives. If you take one thing away from this video, don't be stupid with knives. Oh. Imagine if this wasn't my package and I was just opening someone else's package. Oh, yes! Y'all already know what it is. It's here! Y'all already know what's happening. Oh! Oh no! No. Y'all gotta look. What is this? Y'all know where we're going with this one. Just hang on tight, because, ladies and gentlemen, from here on out, Magic Steve is dead. Shrek is here.